In this video, I'm going to let you in on one of the top cash flow killers that, if left unchecked, will devalue your property and make your cash flow go negative. Hi, I'm Christian with Landlord Advocates. We're all about providing you with the tools and resources to make sure that you make more money and you get to keep some more in your pocket. This video is a part of the full 27-point cash flow killer masterclass, and you can download it for free right now if you click the link here or here. With that, let's get started and dive right in. Let's have a look at cash flow killer number 11. Security claim nightmares. See, a huge thing in property management is security claims. And if you're not familiar with what that is exactly, it's a really simple concept. It's basically an escrow account. So when a tenant moves into a property, not only are they paying for the first month's rent, but they're also going to include a security deposit. And what that does is when the tenant moves out, if there's any damage, that the money is subtracted from that account and it's given back to the owner for the cost of the repairs. Now, the only time this works, and this is key, is when a correct inspection has been done at the beginning of the tenancy and at the end of the tenancy. That way there's a good way to compare the two and you can see exactly what was wrong with the property. So what makes it a nightmare? Okay, you need to make sure when you're looking for a property management company that they have not lost a single security claim in court. Because what happens is the property management will make a claim on that money, and if the tenant says, no, we didn't actually break that, or that wasn't damaged by us, and they bring it to court and the tenant wins, you know what that tells me about the company? That they're trying to scam some money out of that escrow account or that security deposit. So it's really key when you're looking at property management companies that they're not doing business in the type of way where they're trying to just take the tenant's money, because you know what? Yes, that's the tenant's money. It's an escrow account. It belongs to them. It's only there as a safety net. And for you self-managed people, a really good rule of thumb to think about security deposits is this. If there's a $1,000 a month rental, you usually want to charge $100 to $200 plus that the monthly rental cost. So $1,000 a month, I would say an $1,100 or maybe $1,200 security deposit is a pretty good, pretty fair game. Because if you charge too much for your security deposit, not a lot of people have that kind of cash laying around. And if they do have that kind of cash, they're typically going to buy a home instead. So the key is to make sure that a security deposit is not too high, but you also have to make sure that the inspections you're doing are correct and they're really detailed. So for all of the self-managed or people that are looking for property management companies, remember the bottom line. You have to make sure that the company you're looking at has never lost a security claim in court and that they actually do their inspections correctly and they do business soundly. And for the self-managed people out there, make sure your inspections are detailed, they're good, and it'll absolutely avoid any headaches with any tenants that want to bring you to court for any issues. And you should know exactly what the property looked like when they moved in so you can do a correct claim on the security deposit at the end of the tenancy. That was just one of the 27 cash flow killers that's waiting for you inside the full masterclass, which you can download for free by clicking the link here or there. All you have to do is simply enter your details and you'll get instant access to the complete masterclass training for free. You might be asking yourself, why is it free? And if I was in your shoes, I'd be thinking the same thing. We're planning on putting this on the market for $197 in the future, but before we do that, we need some documented success stories. So go on over, watch the full masterclass, give us your feedback if you think it's worthy. With that, we'll see you on the other side. We can't wait.